I think this is our 14th year. We started when the school opened and been doing it every year. Well, actually, you're in luck because we don't have any fees.
So all this is free?
All this is free. Now, if you want to go into the showing and that sort of stuff on down the line, that has some cost. To have the class and learn to ride and enjoy it and all that is just simply free.
Wow.
And that's one of the benefits of Summerlin. We have two dressage arenas. One is right here. You see the white cones out there in the grass.
Mm-hmm.
And the other arena over here is clay, and it has the cones also marking off the dressage arena. Other than that, our trail rides we have in the pastures you can see behind you. On the other side of the gazebo, we have trail riding pastures back there that are really great, some beautiful places. It would be a 4-year program. Here, that first semester is all in the classroom. Second semester, I start bringing 2 horses into the campus. And you actually start from right then, hands-on. So that's preparing you for the next step, which will be the riding. Second year, we pick up where you left off. So it's an individualized instruction. The senior year, you would have some more opportunities for scholarships in particular, to apply for scholarships for school. And in many of the schools, you do not have to take their equestrian program in order to get a scholarship. My wife works with me and helps us anytime we need it. Ms. Fussell, who is the ag teacher, is my co-teacher, and we work together on this, the classroom and out here. No, you don't have to commit to the competitions at all. Mainly, remember I said it's for fun, so just enjoyment. It's a great time. Today is a beautiful day just to go on a trail ride in the back. So you don't have to be that, but if you do like it and really want to move forward with it, then that opportunity is there also, because then you can begin as a sophomore, you can begin to try out for showing horses. It's a form of relaxation, but at the same time you learn responsibility. Dressage is basically a military form of riding, and since we're a military school, we adapted that. But also, more basic than that, it's the oldest form of military riding in the world. But horses back in those days were all trained to be war horses, or either pull a cart, but most of them were war horses. So they had to know how to protect themselves, how to help you protect yourself. And so they were trained to be extremely obedient. And they were trained with leg cues, knee cues, shifting your weight cues to help save your life. And so it's just a very extensive form of training that has come all the way down from Greek general to the United States Army, which was the first Olympic team for the United States. And now we have our own Olympic team. So what you see during the Olympics would be, one of the things will be dressage. They can make the transition easily. The main thing with dressage is that it's more balance. You work with balance, but there are a lot of similarities in the Western riding and dressage. It'd be an excellent class because we don't expect you to know anything, and sometimes that's better. So if you have no experience at all, that's great. We will start you from this is the head and this is the tail, and you will enjoy it. You'll gain confidence every step of the way, and then pretty soon you'll be up there riding around yourself. Well, we have private lessons that are available. We also have a lady who is a silver, bronze, and gold medalist who comes here once a month. She's been coming here for about 20 years. So with her expertise, we can take you all the way to the nationals if you've worked hard enough and have a horse that'll do it.